In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your money with Notion using a simple finance tracker template that anyone can set up in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you want to track your income, expenses, and overall financial health in one clean dashboard without using complicated spreadsheets or paid apps. By the end of this video, you'll have a working money management system inside Notion that you can customize to fit your lifestyle. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside your Notion workspace, look at the left-hand sidebar. At the very top of the sidebar, you'll see a small arrow icon next to your workspace name. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens up additional options for your workspace. From the menu that appears, click on Templates. This will take you to Notion's built-in template gallery, where you can find templates for productivity, planning, notes, and, of course, finance. Once you're in the template gallery, move your cursor to the search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and type in Finance Tracker. As you type, Notion will start showing you relevant templates related to money management and budgeting. Look through the results until you find a simple finance tracker template. For this tutorial, we're using a simple finance tracker with analytics, which is great because it already includes useful views and summaries. When you find the template you want, click on it to open the template preview. On the template page, you'll see an Add button. Click on Add and then choose Add to Private. This will copy the template directly into your private Notion workspace, so only you can see and edit it. After a few seconds, Notion will automatically create the page for you. Once it's added, go back to your sidebar and click on the new Finance Tracker page that just appeared. This opens up your personal finance dashboard. From here, you can start customizing and using it to manage your money. Inside the Finance Tracker, you'll typically see a table where you can log transactions. Start by adding your income entries, such as your salary, freelance payments, or any other sources of money coming in. Then add your expenses, like rent, groceries, subscriptions, transportation, and entertainment. Make sure to fill in categories, dates, and amounts so the tracker can calculate totals accurately. Many finance tracker templates also include analytics or summary sections. These automatically show you how much you're spending, where your money is going, and how your income compares to your expenses. Take a moment to explore the different views, such as monthly summaries or category breakdowns, so you can understand your financial habits better. The real power of using Notion for money management is customization. You can add new categories, create monthly views, or even duplicate the tracker for each year. As you continue to use it daily or weekly, this finance tracker becomes a powerful tool to help you stay organized and make smarter financial decisions. And that's it. You've successfully set up a money management system using Notion. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.